Put in a little vegetable oil. Like maybe like a tablespoon. Put it on medium heat. Good old Orville Redenbacher. I'm just gonna put in a few to start. And put the lid on. And we'll wait for those to pop before we add any more. I heard a couple of pops. There you go. Ooh, how many kernels did I put in there? You really don't want to take off the lid when it's popping because a kernel could fly up and hit you, which isn't the safest thing. Okay, now I'm gonna add, that was probably all of them. I'm gonna add some more. Okay, so now I added more popcorn kernels. And now what we need to listen for, it's very tricky. You want there to be consistent popping. And you're trying to get a good balance between having as many pop as possible, you know, so you don't have any unpopped kernels left, but also not waiting too long because then the popcorn will burn. So now we've got some nice steady popping going. And then when it gets past this part and starts to slow down again with big gaps in between pops, then it's time to take it off the heat. We're making popcorn on the stove for the very first time, and I just moved it off the heat. So I used to work at a movie theater. For years I worked at the movie theater, and so I know a lot about how to make popcorn. And I told the kids it's a very key timing thing. You have to get past all the fast pops and to the point where it starts to slow down because you are trying to catch it between all of the kernels being done and burned.
I was listening for when the pops started to sound softer.
Right.
Because then I knew there was like the popcorn soft.
Yeah, you want the, yep. So the kids have never seen this before. If you're wondering how to make popcorn on the stove, you just need a regular pot with a lid, and you put in just a little bit of oil, like vegetable oil. The best thing to do is put in like just a few kernels first, and you do it on medium heat. And as soon as those pop, then like take, you know, like a fourth to a cup of kernels and dump it in there and put the lid on, and then you wait for it to all pop, okay?
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's so weird. I didn't get to see it before it.
Yeah, you didn't see the kernels? They're just, yeah.
That's so weird.
So weird.
It's like it perfectly
It's
to
just
the
a
lid.
pot filled.
Yeah.
It's like that one time at Lawrence when we visited your college and I was in the magic show.
Oh, that's right.
And we put the pot with poppy seeds in it, and then I opened it and it was a dove.
That was great. And then you can put a little melted butter over it, or the kids want to do it like kettle corn, so they're going to put cinnamon sugar on it. So there you go. That's how you make popcorn on the stove, and that was my kids' first time doing that.